think like last week I was at my mom's and I started the morning with orange juice or something, and she was like freaking out like, yeah, you need to warm up your stomach. And I'm like, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot that I need to warm up my stomach.
Good.
Good?
Tasty.
That sandwich sent me to bed. Caribbean food does that a lot. Alright, amiga, Johnny cakes are ready. I am gonna top one with cheese. Wish I bought more. Really good. I also got Bitterbal, like Antillean Bitterbal. Awa di Lamunchi, right? Glass. Lemon. I haven't deep fried potatoes in so long, in years. I know you. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I am back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be me eating as if I'm on the island Curaçao, the island where I was born. I don't know, I just really miss my island right now, and therefore I think I want to indulge in a lot of the foods of my island today. I bought like a lot of groceries yesterday to make like some of the recipes, and I thought this would be a fun little video to film and to share with you. This is part one of my breakfast. I'm about to make real breakfast in a little bit. I'm having papaya and also in Dutch we say nectarine. I think it's nectarine. Anyways, it counts as a little plum or whatever, but this is what we eat as like part one of breakfast in Curaçao a lot. It just really helps with digestion, and it just gets everything going in the morning. And tradition is that you really have to drink tea first thing in the morning to warm up your stomach, because I don't know why, that's just how I was raised. So I continue to do that, and I think like last week I was at my mom's and I started the morning with orange juice or something, and she was like freaking out like, yeah, you need to warm up your stomach. And I'm like, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot that I need to warm up my stomach. So I'm having my fruits and a cup of forest fruit tea and just chilling on my balcony, eating fruit and drinking my tea. And I'm already excited for the real breakfast that we're gonna make in a little bit. It's not really Antillean. There's this bakery on Curaçao and it's called Lebanese Sandwich, and always when I'm on Curaçao I need to go, and my standard order is a egg, bacon, avocado and a lettuce sandwich drizzled with like some spicy sauce. It's called salsa rosada, but it's just a mixture of mayo, ketchup, and I think piccalilli, and just a little bit of spice, and it's so good. So we're about to make that in a little bit. Anyways, I'm gonna just enjoy this, and I'll see you back in the kitchen for the sandwich. Alright, amiga, it is time to make my favorite sandwich from Lebanese Curaçao. These are all my ingredients. I'm gonna use these breads to do it. You need to bake them in the oven a little bit. Bacon, eggs. I just don't remember if they like do it sunny side up or if they like clutch it. The egg yolk, when it's baked, it just grosses me out a little bit. So I'm going to clutch the eggs and then do it like omelet style. I think I'm gonna do it like that. And then they add lettuce, avocado and also tomato on the sandwich, and I think also onion, but I'm not 100% sure. That might be the spice. And I also need to make the sauce. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, amiga, I finished the sandwiches. And Benny's also up just in time for the food. And let's do a little taste test.
Good.
Good?
Tasty.
Let me pour myself some juice and we'll talk later. Hold on. Bussin'. It's very, very close to the real thing. And in Curacao, I always order it with Lover's Fruit Punch or the Lover's Apple Juice. Of course, I have diabetes, so I just put a little bit of orange juice and the rest is all water. But if you are ever in Curacao, try the Lover's Punch or the Lover's Apple Juice with this combination. The best thing ever. And ask them to just add a little bit of pica for you. Girl, best thing ever. This will satisfy my craving until I go to Curacao. If you miss your country, make the food. It's just that easy. If you miss it, make the food. And yeah, comment your favorite breakfast recipe from your country down below in the comments. I'm really curious to see. Anyways, I'm gonna finish enjoying this and I'll see you in a little bit. Amiga, I took a nap and a shower. That sandwich was just to die for. I was planning on picking back up on lunch way sooner, but that didn't happen because that sandwich sent me to bed. Caribbean food does that a lot. By the way, I'm eating the other half of the papaya to hold me over. And yeah, I think lunch is just gonna be soup, but also so is dinner, you know? I think that's more realistic because I want to make satay batata, but I'm gonna make that tomorrow because I think that's gonna be a lot in one day, you know? And I still do have diabetes. That doesn't mean I can't enjoy the food from my culture, but I need to spread it a little bit. And I also want to make Johnny cakes, so that is something that we can also make tomorrow. I have a little mix here somewhere. But yeah, I'm about to start. It's gonna be Sopi di Galinja, which is Caribbean chicken soup. It's my favorite, and it's also Benny's favorite. A while back, I collabed with Jurino, and he gifted me his book. And he also has a recipe for Sopi di Galinja. So if you wanna make it, then I really recommend this book. It has so many recipes. Sopi di Galinja 72. Let's see what he says to put in it. Check it out if you're interested in cooking like Antillean recipes. There are so many recipes in here. Add some love and everything is gonna be fine. So yeah, let's get to lunch now. Okay, Amiga, here I have all my ingredients for my soup. Also have Jurino's book here just as a little guideline. I'm not gonna do like normal potatoes since we already have 2 sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna use those. I'm also gonna add some plantains. My mom always does this and it is amazing. His recipe also didn't have pumpkin, but you can add whatever you want to your soup. Some people also add cassave. But I couldn't find that yesterday, so I'm not gonna do that. But other than that, the recipe is pretty much the same, and he said to use drumsticks, but I'm gonna use like the little chicken wings. I just feel like that's the best. I already washed them yesterday and prepped them in a little bit of chicken broth powder so that they have a little bit of taste when I cook them later on. And yeah, these are all my ingredients. I don't know if I already said that, but I washed my hair and I need to style it later on, so that's why it's still in a microfiber towel. This soup is really easy. What I always like to do is start off with the veggie mixture and I add that to my pan. I put the chicken in there and I let it cook, and in the meantime I chop up all the other veggies and prep them and everything, peel the potatoes, the carrots, whatever, all of that, and then slowly adding them to the soup. And that's basically it, you know. So let's just get started. It is sunny in my kitchen. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is my second round-ish. I put a little bit in a bowl just to try it before, when it had sent me to bed. It sent me to bed. That's just a sign that the food is good. Have a little baguette in the oven. I'm gonna enjoy this. It just tastes like a warm hug. So comforting. Like my grandma's recipe. Mom, try this. It's the next day. Yes, it is the next day, and I'm in the process of making Johnny cakes. I'm making this little Johnny cake mixture. I got this last year when we went to Curaçao and I still hadn't made them yet. So today was the day to try and make it. So it's not my traditional recipe, or the recipe that my mom always uses. Page 16 of Jurino's book also has Johnny cake recipe, so you can check that out. If you don't have the mixture, if you live on Curaçao, you can also buy these. These are from Eus Blend. Dare to Make It, the Johnny cake mix. So we will see how this goes, but I'm excited to eat some Johnny cakes. I decided to spread this video over the whole weekend because all these recipes are pretty intense and they're just heavy meals. So I'm not sure about making everything on one day. Yesterday I had to take a nap after each meal, so I decided to just spread it, you know? I'm gonna do some today and some tomorrow, and that's gonna be fine, okay? So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna finish baking these now, and then after that I'm gonna get ready because I need to go get my nails done today. So yeah. Alright, Amiga, Johnny cakes are ready. I am gonna top one with cheese. Anyways, Johnny cakes are ready. I'm gonna put one with cheese to eat and let you know how it is, okay? I'm excited. They are a tinier size, so I'm gonna put 2 for me. Benny is gonna eat them later because he had the soup from yesterday this morning. So that's that. But they look properly baked on the inside. That's really important because you don't want it to be doughy on the inside. I have my cheese in the middle. They're really good. It's a success. Yeah, really good. Try these if you live in Curacao. It's so much easier, not a lot of work at all. So really try these. Wish I bought more. Really good. Hello, Amiga. It is a new day again, and I got new nails. Look at this. Yes, today is the last day of this vlog though. I have been fighting all morning with a vlog that I'm trying to upload today. So yeah, but I'm about to go marinate the chicken to make my little satays because I'm gonna make satay ku batata, which is satay with fries or like baked potatoes. Fried potatoes. That needs a little prep. I also got bitterbal, like Antillean bitterbal. It's a little bit cheating because my mom actually made these, but she is Antillean, you know, and she made these and she gifted them to me. So I'm about to bake these and we can snack on these, munch on these while we let this marinate and all that. Or should we marinate first? I think we should marinate first, okay? Let's do that. We're gonna marinate the chicken. Lemon and salt.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad.
To spice the chicken, I have 2 recipes. I have my mom's recipe and I have Jurino's recipe. Let me see. First of all, Jurino's recipe says to spice the chicken to use curry, cumin, corianderzaad. What is coriander? I think that's cilantro, sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons, and pepper and salt. And my mom's recipe says to use 5 spices, ginger, garlic, black sauce. This one is the shisado sauce, and a little bit of tomato sauce just to help the chicken from not getting too dark, like from not burning, you know, when you're baking it. So I think I'm gonna stick with my mom's recipe. Anyways, you can spice your chicken however you want though. You can follow Jurino's recipe or my recipe or however you like your chicken. But I do remember that my mom's Satay batata is very juicy and very similar to the one that they sell on Curaçao, so I'm gonna stick to that one today. This is the final result. They're all spiced and everything, and I'm gonna set it aside and let it, you know, marinate and do its thing. Okay. We got bitterbal. These are so good. So good. It would have been better if I had mustard, but I don't have mustard, which is really sad. Delicious. I'm gonna put a few of these on a plate. I'm gonna make myself some Awa di Lamunchi, diabetes approved Awa di Lamunchi, and then we're gonna eat some of these and finish editing that vlog because I'm still trying to upload it, so I'm gonna finish doing that, and then I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna finish doing our satay batata. Awa di Lamunchi, right? Glass. Lemon. About that much. Depends how sour you want yours, you know? I'm gonna take some cold water, fill it up. It's so easy, it's just lemonade, but diabetes approved one. And then this is the sweetener that I like to use. It's called sucralose. Sucralose, yeah. And then I take 1 spoon of that. Put that in my juice. It has 0 calories as well. Give it a good stir. Put a little straw. Yeah, here I have 2 slices of a lemon, and I'm gonna add that in my glass just to make it look fun, you know. And this is it. Like, look at that. All right, I'm going to enjoy this. I decided to eat it with ketchup. So good, Benny?
Great.
Oh my god, I love food. I'm gonna have like 3 or 4. That's enough for like a meal, you know? Anyways, check you later. Done with doing the satays. By the way, I'm showered and fresh and everything. It's a few hours later, and yeah, we're working now back on the satay batata. I'm already gonna be deep frying the potatoes, so I think I'm just gonna make them in the air fryer, but you can perfectly bake them if you want. I'm just not gonna do that right now. Look at my little satays. I had to break them a little bit so that they can fit in the air fryer. I'm gonna make the one from Jorino's recipe. And yeah, satays are done. I baked them on both sides 10 minutes, so let's get it started. Fried potatoes in so long, in years. Next time I'm throwing them in the oven. It's just easier, healthier. I know, like, you know, the one from Curaçao needs to be a greasy bite, but this is a little too much work. It takes so long to bake. I don't know. My first batch of potatoes done, so I'm gonna assemble a plate and do a little taste test. Alright, little taste test. I'm sorry that it's so noisy in here, but yeah, it tastes really good. Let me try the satay. Pretty good, actually. I like it. This will definitely satisfy my craving though. It will. Oh my god, so good. I'm not mad. Next time I want to try the sauce without the peanut. Without the peanut butter. I think that is more close to the recipe that they use in Curaçao and the one that my mom told me to do, but yeah, delish. Try it. So that is all for this video, amiga. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do want to give a disclaimer though. Everything in life needs to be in moderation. It is okay to indulge in foods that you love sometimes, but do keep in account that I don't eat like this all the time. I don't eat like this every single day. I don't deep fry things every single day, because as I was editing this video, I noticed like there was a lot of frying, and as I was complaining already in the last parts of the video, it is really not necessary to deep fry potatoes like that. You can use an air fryer, you can even put them in the oven. There are so many options, and that's what I would normally do, but I really wanted to taste it as good as I could and as similar as it could be to how it is when I buy it in Curaçao. So keep that into account. Make healthy options, but it is okay to indulge in some food sometimes. It is not, it's not a crime at all. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. By the way, bear with me, I've been the most inconsistent person on YouTube right now, but I'm juggling life and I have so much content coming your way. Everything is filmed, but it's the time for editing that I'm really struggling with. I'm really struggling to edit the videos in time and get them up. Anyways, see you soon in another video, and thank you so much for watching this one. Mwah.